today we're going to be doing a Primark and a Zara. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Amida. This channel is all about style and fashion and easing your wardrobe troubles. So if this is the sort of content you're into, please stick around. And for those of you who are joining me for the very first time, thank you very much. I appreciate your time and I hope you stay till the end of the video and hope you enjoy watching. So let's just dive right into the whole video, guys. First dress that I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with Primark, and then maybe like we kind of go from Primark to Zara. So I got this baby doll dress. Oh, it's a size 6. Oh my god. So it's a UK size 6 and it says EU 34, USA size 2. I actually thought it's a size 8, but I think it fits really well. It's really nice. The material, they say all organic cotton is made of. I just love the khaki color and I love this like puffiness at the bottom. It reminds me of when I was like a little girl, you know, like wearing all these cute like dolly dresses. I just saw it, I'm like, what am I gonna wear? It reminds you of your childhood. That's what this dress did for me, like when I was young, wearing all this little dress like puffy and like so yeah, I love it. I love the top bit is like stretchy fabric and then here is cotton. So I just love the color. I really adore the color. I don't think I'm going to keep it though because it's a size 6, but if you can see on the cutaway, it looks really nice. It looks really cute and the color just like sold it for me. And I've styled it with my black ASOS strappy sandals. Those are like my go-to sandals. I wear them for like everything, literally. I feel like it's just so girly and it's just so comfortable. So and then I paired it with my Dior bag, and yeah, I just have like my bracelet on. I think it's so cute. What do you think? Let me know what you think. And it's only, what's the price? Ooh, I think it's £8. It's size 6 and yeah, it was £8. I paid £8 for this dress. So yeah, it's just a cute baby doll dress. Let me know what you think if it's your kind of thing. Oh, the other thing I got for Primark is the satin dress. If you know me, you've been watching my channel, I love satin dress. I love satin material. I think it just makes it just so expensive and it's just so flattering basically. So normally when I'm shopping, when I go to, I always look for materials, no matter how nice it is, but if the material is like shitty quality, like I don't pick it up. So I love this. Like I don't know if it's satin. It's so slinky. It's kind of giving you like the nighty vibe. It's got like the lace detailing. It's got the button, which is really nice. The small buttons just running all the way down, and then it's got like a slit at the bottom, and then just this detailing here, the lace detailing with like under the boob area. I think it just makes it look so girly and I love the color. It's light green. This is a size 10, which is a EU 38 and then a USA 6. So I got it in yeah, I paid £13 for this. £13 I paid for this. For reference, my height, I'm 5'7" and I wear between an 8 to a 10. I think I've lost a little bit of weight, so mostly I'm wearing a lot of 8s, but I got this in a 10 because I just wanted to like just flow on my body. And you can see how I've styled it again. I think I've styled it with the black sandal, again my Dior bag. I'll link the video if you've not watched it. My Dior dupe, I love the bag, it just goes with everything. So yeah, so that's what I've styled it with. I got this from Zara. This is like a wrinkled dress. It's like a dress slash gown. This is what it looks like. It's wrinkled material. It's like light blue. How do you call this design? I'm sure there is a name for this kind of design of material. I can't remember the name, but it's got like the little like buttons all going down, and it's like it's in v-neck. I saw it online and it comes with the pants. The pants is like wide leg and I really liked it, but I wanted to get the set together, but this blouse or like dress was like sold out. So when I went into store today, then I placed an order on Wednesday to do the haul so that I can get it for you guys, but I've still not received the order. So I just went out today to go to the shopping center just to see what I can pick to be able to do this video. I don't really know what's going on with the order that I've placed, but hopefully it would come, and I will film that for you next week. Yeah, so I've paired it again with the satin dress, which I think again, it might feel to some people it looks like you're ready to go to bed, but I just love it. I think it's just so like elegant and like simple and chic, just wearing the two together, and the colors kind of like complement each other, and you can just like close it if you don't want, just leave it. You can wear this in so many ways. I've styled it I think in 3 different ways for you. I can wear this again as a beach cover up. So I got this, I got a swimsuit from Primark. Me and my girls were going on holiday soon, so I'm just kind of looking for like holiday stuff. So yeah, so watch out, it's gonna be like a holiday vlog coming for you guys. So yeah, so I got this swimsuit. It was £8 initially, and I got it in a size 8, EU36 again, USA 4. It's ribbed material, anything neutral like white. I think it just looks so nice, and it's like v-neck, low cut back, and yeah, just it's got this kind of lining under the boobs, which kind of gives you the, you know, it just pops the boob up, and it's also got like padding inside, so it gives you that extra support. It was on sale for £5, which was like, oh my god, wow. So yeah, so I got it. I'm not going to lie, I don't think I'm comfortable just showing you my swimsuits, but I'll just show you with this like how I'm gonna wear this. I'm definitely keeping this. I can wear it as a cover up, I can just wear it like just like as it is, like going out. So yeah, I really like it. The material is very delicate, so you have to be careful because the thread, but I really like it. It's nice and breezy, and the color I feel like I can style. And I've styled it again for you with like a denim skirt. I can just wear it with like shorts. So if you see again, I've just styled it for you with a denim skirt, just like close a bit, like put it off like my shoulder, so like you see it. Yeah, so that's, I think that's what I've styled for you. These little cute crochet shorts from Zara. I don't know what the initial price was, but I got it in a size small, and it runs up to a large. I got it on sale again. I didn't know the sale obviously is online, but I didn't know they were that, like the sale was still going on in store. So I got it in, I love the color, like buttery yellow color, and I just thought again, saw it, I'm like, oh my god, holiday, just wear it like over a bikini, just wear it or a swimsuit, wear a bikini top and wear it, and it's a size small. So I've just paired it again with the swimsuit. I'm sure you would see with the swimsuits paired together, and I think it looks cute. Even if we go in maybe for like a quick food, I can just wear like my swimsuit or like my bikini, just wear with it. I think it's just so nice, and it's airy crochet, and yeah, and I got it for £5. So I think, yeah, this is like an absolute steal. So you can see how I've paired it with this swimsuit again, and I think it looks very nice. Let's get back to Primark. I got this black dress. Yes, oh my god, this black dress. Yes. It's just a simple stretchy fabric black dress, and I got it in, it's £10. I got it in a size 10 because I couldn't find an 8, like most of them were like 10. But I think, as you can see, it's really nice. The shoulder pad sold it for me. I love the shoulder pad. It's just a simple black dress, but when I tried it on, I was actually pleasantly surprised. The length, you'll see again in the cutaway, me trying it on and styling it, it's just nice. I thought it's something that maybe you can just get and wear it around the house, but when I saw the shoulder pad, anything with shoulder pad, it just kind of elevates the look. Just a cheap stretchy black dress with the shoulder pad, you can see, it just makes it look so classy. And guys, I tried this on. Another thing I got from Primark is this shapewear. Oh my god, Primark shapewear is the business. My friend actually wore it the other day when she came to see me, and I was like, oh, where did you get your shapewear from? Like, your waist is like proper snatched. And she's like, oh, Primark. I'm like, what? So I went today, I got the shapewear, and guess how much it is? £4. £4, like I paid for the shapewear. I will show you when I tried it. I tried this dress on without the shapewear, and then when I put the shapewear on, like, oh my god, it proper like snatches your waist. I didn't think it was that good. The only little thing is it kind of rolls a bit, but that's something that I can handle, and it doesn't show like through the dress when it rolls, but the shapewear is really good. I got it in a nudie color. I didn't want to get black, but I think I'm gonna get black. I got it in an extra small as well, so proper like snatch you. So it's £4 if you're looking for a good shapewear. I think every woman needs like a good shapewear in their wardrobe. I would like to invest in like maybe like Spanx, but for now Primark is doing it for me. I'm gonna get another one. I think I'm gonna get it in black, and then I'm gonna get another one of this color just to save it if it gets out of stock. But yeah, it's really good. So if you're looking for a good shapewear, it's £4 and it's amazing. They're really good, like proper, and it's very comfortable. So I got mine in an extra small, and that's what I've worn with this dress. You can see the difference before and after. It proper like snatches like my waist in and everything. The dress just flows very nice. It's not just about giving you that small waist or that hourglass figure, it's just making the outfit just flows on your body like very nicely. And I think it does that with shapewear and like good underwear. Like the base of any good outfit is a good underwear. So like I try and invest in my underwear, and I did not know that Primark actually do really good underwear. I buy a lot from H&M. Yeah, H&M do really good underwear, so I buy a lot from H&M. Let me know if you guys want me to do like an underwear kind of haul, affordable underwear kind of haul. That would be, I think that would be a good video to do, to see like what sort of underwear you need to wear on what sort of clothing. So if that's the sort of video that you guys are interested in, please comment down below and I'll go on the hunt for you guys. Go back to Zara. I got this dress again. This is on sale. This it was $49.99. I got it for £12 in a size small. I got it for $12.99, sorry, from $49.99. I just like it. Again, I was just thinking of my holiday. That's what I was thinking. It's like a shirt dress, but it's kind of like elasticated and ruched here. So it kind of it's puffy at the top, and it holds you in the middle, and then it's got like this flare details coming out like a little skirt. So it's like a top and blouse kind of. It give you the illusion of like a top and a skirt. As you can see me trying it on, I really like it, but I think because of my bum it's a bit short. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I think it's ideal like for holiday. Proper gives you that holiday vibe. I love the colors. It's very summery, and I've got my shapewear on with it again, and yeah, I really like it. So for this dress, I've styled it with my white ASOS design sandal, square toe sandal, and then I've got my mango bag. I think it looks really cute, and it's proper giving me holiday vibes. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think, if I should keep it. It's $12.99, but it's dead short, so I don't know if I'm going to be wearing it again, but I think it's an absolute steal. So yeah, and I like it. Ouch. Back to Zara. I've got this two-piece set. I've got this top. This top is just like a crop top, and it's got like this tie detail. To be honest, if you can see on the cutaway, I don't really know what to do with the tie. I tried tying it at the back, tried tying it in front. It was just too much. So just like a strappy top, low back and kind of like high neck. I saw it and I like it, and I thought it was really affordable for a two-piece set. This, believe it or not, this is a large. You will see me trying it on. This is a large, so I wonder how the small would be. So I got this in a large. I just wanted to show you guys. I don't think I'm going to keep it, but it's just an affordable two-piece set. If you're looking for a two-piece set in Zara, it comes in black and it comes in grey. It comes in 3 colors. So I thought this is a kind of a nice color. So I've got the pants on. That's the pants, and then it's got like a slit on the side of the pants, and I think it's really nice. So this was $12.99, and the pants, let me see, just get in the tag. The pants was $19.99. I got it in a size medium, and I think it's really nice, really affordable two-piece set, and it comes in 2 different colors, gray and black again. So if you're on the market for a two-piece set, you're going on holiday, you can wear this with jean, you can wear the pants with this top again. Yeah, you can wear the pants with like a completely different top. So that's why I like two-piece set, because it's very versatile. You can style it in so many different ways, and I really like it. Yeah, so that's how I styled it for you with my black sandals, I think, black sandals, and then yeah, my bag. I think it looks really cute. Let me know what you think. Another thing I got from Primark again, I got the scarf which I think is cute. I would like to like tie it like on holiday, like tie it on my head. You can use it on your neck, you can use it as a headband, you can tie it on your bag. I've seen people like tying like scarves on like the bags, you know, you can tie it on your bag like this. So I just thought I needed like a nice silk scarf. This scarf, by the way, is from Primark and it was only £5. So I tend to like, when I'm going to bed as well, I tie my head, so I tend to like use silk scarf. I don't know, for some reason they say it makes your hair feels nice. And yeah, I just really like it. I like the color pink and like blue. I think it's gonna go with so many things and I really like it. Last but not the least, I got this ribbed top from Primark. I think on those summer days when it's not very warm, this is like a nice top to throw on. And then I love the shoulder detailing, the square neckline and the rib, and it feels so comfortable. I got this in a size small. Price wise, and it was £6. It comes in I think 3 or 4 different colors. It comes in black, baby blue, I think it comes in grey, and I think it's really nice, like just a really nice top that you can wear with jean again, and when it's not very warm you can put it on, and I just like it. Yeah, so guys, that's all from Primark and Zara. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the haul and you like all the pieces that I've chosen. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know which one you think I should keep. And also, if you're new here, you've enjoyed the content and this is the content you're into, I would really appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button and also click on the like button. It helps YouTube to push my video to a wider audience. And let me know what other video you want to see next. But I've enjoyed making this video and I like all the pieces, so I can't afford to keep all. So help me in the comments down below what you think I should keep, and most of it I'm going to be using on my holiday. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I will see you again on the next one. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.